What if I told you some of Hollywood's biggest blockbuster scenes weren't filmed on sets, but on real Caribbean islands you can still visit today? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know which movie locations you can actually walk through right now. Jamaica, Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's start with Jamaica. Several scenes from Pirates of the Caribbean were filmed near Port Royal and Port Antonio. These rugged coastlines, hidden coves, and historic ports gave the film its raw pirate feel. And the wild part? You can still visit these exact coastal areas today. Dominica, Pirates 2 and 3. Next, Dominica. This island doubled as Cannibal Island in Dead Man's Chest and at World's End. Dominica is one of the most untouched islands in the Caribbean. Those jungle scenes, that's real rainforest, real waterfalls, almost no CGI. St. Vincent, Pirates of the Caribbean. Major ship battle scenes from the first Pirates movie were filmed at Walilaboo Bay. The film crew even left parts of the set behind. Today, that filming location is a real tourist attraction. Bahamas, James Bond, Casino Royale, switching from pirates to spies. The Bahamas played a key role in James Bond, Casino Royale. That intense airport chase scene, filmed at Nassau International Airport. Modern, sleek, and cinematic, perfect for Bond. Cuba, Fast and Furious 8, one of the most unforgettable openings in Fast and Furious 8, was filmed on the streets of Havana, Cuba. The classic cars, colorful buildings, and real crowds weren't sets. That was real Havana energy. Barbados, Speed 2, Cruise Control. Barbados appeared heavily in Speed 2, Cruise Control. Several cruise ship disaster scenes were filmed near Bridgetown Harbor. The calm seas and deep water port made large-scale filming possible. Today, it's still one of the Caribbean's busiest cruise ports. Puerto Rico, the Rum Diary. Finally, Puerto Rico. It doubled as 1950s Havana in the Rum Diary, starring Johnny Depp. Most scenes were filmed in Old San Juan. The cobblestone streets and colonial buildings made it look timeless. Bonus payoff. Here's the best part. Every single location in this video is open to visitors today. So, which Caribbean movie location would you visit first? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with a movie lover, and subscribe for more epic travel stories.